Hello YouTube, it's the Houleigan. As you can see, I have my Gen 8 up on my relatively messy slash clean workbench because I just had it out for a run. I'll be putting that video up. I added this. Finally came in from Club 5 Racing. Unfortunately, I did get the Club 5 aluminum servo relocation bracket. Unfortunately, I didn't know that it won't fit with the Axe 550. It hits the motor, it won't let it go in. You'd have to cut this whole back piece off, and then I'm like, what's the point? You have nowhere to mount the servo to, so oops. Maybe in the future I get another Axe system. Anyways, the other thing is, as I was out riding around, I was like, wow, why is that sitting low like that on the back side? And just as I pulled into the garage, get the cover off here, you can see the shock isn't straight. This came right out. So it before that actually happened, the this had torqued. You can't see. This had torqued right around and bent the shock when I was playing with it on the my rock course that I've been building. That hasn't got very far. It needs some work, but you'll see that in the other video. Anyways, guess I need to do some work on my Gen 8. Probably heavy duty axles now, or the axle housings, that was the stock. And I guess I'll need a new shock bottom. I don't know. Anyways, we'll see. Maybe different shocks. I'll see what I come up with. I was trying to save money for a X-Max, but life keeps getting in the way. Now I broke my crawler. Oh well, that's part of playing with them. Anyways, this has been a long video just to say I broke my crawler. The Last of Us 2, if you're interested. Anyways, take it easy. Peace out.